नज्म नज्म सा मेरे होठों पे ठहर जा, मैं ख्वाब ख्वाब सा तेरी आंखों में जागूं रे.
Hey guys, this is Eileen and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you one DIY recipe of a moisturizing serum. So all these ingredients in the DIY is easily available to you and all of them cost below 100 rupees. So this is very easy to store and will definitely retain your moisture. So as you know that winter is coming, the skin is cracking up, drying up, causing various irritations, and if you are prone to allergies like me, you will have easy breakouts on your skin like I do. And this DIY will help you to soothe your skin, will retain the moisture for a very long time, and is very home friendly, very skin friendly to you. So this serum is definitely my key to pass on to winter. So I hope that it will help you too. So as you know, a giveaway is going on in my channel, and if you're watching me for the first time, then hi, I'm Eileen, and how are you all doing? There's a giveaway going on in my channel, and if you haven't yet participated, then please participate.
You'll be getting one Hilary Rhoda Charm eyeshadow palette of 20 shades of shade 02, as you can see over here. Then you're getting one Faces Canada lipstick in the shade Foresick Beauty 01. It's a beautiful chocolate brown colored shade, as you can see right over here. And finally you are getting one Blue Heavens long wearing eyeliner, which is waterproof and smudge proof.
We are already in the middle of the giveaway. The details will be down in my description box, and what you have to do to participate in this giveaway is you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to follow me up on my Instagram. At the end of every video, I'll be asking you one question and you have to let me know down in the comments down below, and also you have to share my videos. So this last option is optional, but it will definitely enhance your chance of winning this giveaway. Without further wasting time, let's get into this video.
So I have here aloe vera gel, BD IP glycerin, and one Dabur Gulabari rose water. So after we are done taking all this item, I'm first gonna start with Dabur Gulabari rose water, which costs me only 45 rupees. I'm gonna take 3 teaspoons of rose water. This is the sample. And then I'm going to take Vaseline's aloe vera gel with a non-oily feel. This cost me only 50 rupees. And then I'm going to take 3 teaspoons of that into the same mixture. And this is the glycerin from IP Glycerin, as you can see. I'm going to mix 1 teaspoon of the same mixture, and then I'm going to mix it very rigorously, as you can see. And after mixing, I'm going to store it in a refrigerator, and then you can see that it has formed a gel-like texture, and after pouring, it has formed a serum like situation.
Alright you guys, so this is the end of the video. As you see that this serum is kind of liquidy, it has a gel consistency. So if you refrigerate it, you will get the best impact of this serum. So let's talk about the benefits of the ingredients. We have here rose water. So rose water, as you know, acts as a natural astringent or a natural toner, which helps you to calm the skin down. It tightens up your your big pores over here, which sometimes causes trouble while applying makeup. So it gives a glow. Now aloe vera gel helps in moisturizing. It hydrates your skin. It is a very good. It gives a very calming effect to your skin. If you have rough breakouts, this will help you to kind of soothe it down. As you know, I have winter allergy, as I've told you. So in winter allergy, I have this weird breakouts onto my skin. So I'm applying it and it has subsided down. Next, what we have is glycerin. Glycerin acts as a natural hydrator. It locks the natural moisture in your skin so that your skin is less prone to drying, whereas it gives a very natural glowing skin. This is it, guys. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. And today's question of the day is, so as you know that Diwali has just passed, right? So let me ask you this question. This will be the question of the day. What are your favorite Diwali sweets? So let me know down in the comments down below, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye.